Hey, what's up you guys? So this is part 2 on how to fill a pastry bag and how to frost your product. Today I'm actually making protein donuts. They're actually peanut butter, chocolate, banana protein donuts. So this is how you frost. The previous video I showed you guys how to fill up the pastry bag. Now I cut off the tip. Here are my donuts. You're going to want to tie this tight and make sure it's all the way about to come out and do an even push. What I like to do is I go in a circle, and at the very end I do almost a wick, a little swipe, because then that way it will give it a cleaner look to it. But let me just go ahead and finish up the rest of these. I only did 6 today. And if it's a bigger picture, sorry, if it is a bigger bag, you're going to want to probably hold it like this, where one side's guiding and the other side is holding the top of it. But since it's such a small amount, I'm just squeezing it with one hand. But squeezing it from the bottom so it doesn't do like the weird toothpaste thing that just squeezes each to one side. That sounds good. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the final product. Ooh, I needed some more on this one. And this one too. When you have extra frosting, I like to say, why not use it? Okay, there we go. I'll be posting the recipe for these on my Instagram, which is Cade Cooks. If you would like to check that out, it's totally up to you. But these are going to be super good. I'm really excited. I hope you had a great day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below. Peace.